Do you drive a GR86 or a BRZ and just wish that your car audio sounds better and you don't want to do all that work of just ripping out your interior? We have the solution for you here. It is the ENA 3S1, and this will install to your car plug and play without any hassle and enhance the overall sound quality of your GR86 and BRZ. And on top of that, it also has the ability to add additional power subwoofer to it, all plug and play. So if you need more thump, you can add another power subwoofer very easily with the RCA and remote wire connection from this amplifier. And to do this installation, super easy, all takes less than an hour. Let me show you how it's done. All right, now that we're in the car, let's get the 3S1 installed. The first thing we're gonna do is grab a panel removal tool. A plastic one is preferred so you don't damage your interior. I'm gonna pop the side panel here, just wedge it in here and pop it out. And we're gonna grab this center piece out and also just pop out. This is all just being held by clips. And once you remove that, you'll notice that there's a Phillips screw. And once you remove that, this panel that sits right above this piece here will be able to be removed very easily with just some clips that are holding it. And we're gonna move over to the left side of the radio, which is going to have this panel right above this start button. Gonna grab it, pull it out. Once you have that out, we can remove the vent that sits right above the screen. And when you pop the vent out, you'll notice that there's a connector right behind it. Pull it out and gently place it aside, which will expose the 4 10mm bolts, 2 on each side of the radio. And we're going to remove that with a 10mm socket and a wrench. And then you'll be able to pull the whole radio out. But before you pull the whole radio out, make sure you have a really thick towel, a moving towel, blanket, place it right here. And we're going to place the radio right on top of the towel. Then we have good access to all the connectors behind the radio. Now that we're behind the radio, let's locate these 2 connectors all the way down on the bottom on the passenger side. It's going to be 1 10 and 6-pin connector. Press down on the release tab and I'm just going to wiggle it out. There we go. All right. And once it is out, let me reroute these cables a little bit up here. Okay. All right. And let's grab our plug and play harness that comes with our kit. And we are going to connect to the matching 6 and 10-pin connectors from the car side to our harness. And on the other side of the harness is going to connect to the radio. And just, if you haven't noticed, it's all plug and play, guys. Easily reversible, and it won't leave any trace if you ever want to remove it. And on the other side, it's going to connect to our amp. And we also have this remote wire cable. If you want to add another active subwoofer, this will give the signal to turn on. So we'll route this over here toward the back. Okay. And once we're here, let's grab our amplifier. Just pop it in. And all we have to do is apply our double-sided tape here. We're gonna squeeze it in here and just let it sit right then and there. It's a very tight fit going in here. If you want a bit more leverage, you can remove these screws here. 3 Phillips screws, which will allow you to bring this whole part down a bit to give you more room to shove your amplifier in here. And that's it, guys. Very easy to install this ENA 3S1. And some functionality of this 3S1 is, of course, the output for your new additional subwoofer. And if you want to adjust the front and rear gains independently, you definitely can do so. All you have to do is grab this and just turn it. Make sure you don't turn past the maximum stopping point. We had customers where, I don't know what they're thinking, but they tried to adjust it above the maximum point where it stopped. And of course, you know the story afterwards. It'll break the amp, so don't do it. And this auto sense feature, this is a function where it tells the amplifier to turn on with either a speaker signal or an ACC signal. For some vehicles, they don't have ACC, so you'll have to use speaker. For this car, it has both speaker and ACC, so you could use either or, it does not matter. All right, so now let's mount it in there and reverse order everything we did, and that will complete the installation. that is it, guys. Super easy. Everything goes back together very beautifully and all done in just about an hour. And if you like to add an additional subwoofer to it to get that additional thump, connect it on the RCAs and extend the remote wire back down towards the center console, and wherever your subwoofer is, if it's under your seat, you could go through the center console. If it's in the trunk, you can go all the way through the door sills down there and grab it in the trunk, where you could connect your new subwoofer to it. All right, guys, the ENA 3S1, as you can see, made a humongous difference with the way your car sounds. If you are ready to make your car sound better and put it to the next level, don't wait. Make your purchase today and let's get it installed in your car. And if you want to install a power subwoofer, you don't have to splice into anything. You can use our plug-and-play harness with our plug-and-play amplifier. Connects seamlessly without any modification to your car. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. If you haven't yet, help our channel, give us that thumbs up, and hit that subscribe button. We'll see you guys on the next video.
Look, I don't take no loss, it's simple. Stand up, guy, 10 toes.